students, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start our page number 22, listening activity. Open up your books, page 22, listening. Listen, which of these are they talking about? Families, friends, pets. I'm going to play an audio for you. For right now, you're only supposed to listen to this audio and find out one thing, that what are they talking about? Are they talking about their families, friends, or their pets, or any two of these?
Page 22. Communicate. Listening. C. Which of these are they talking about? Families, friends, pets. 1.
This is my friend Abby and me. She's 7 years old. That's her kitten. Her kitten is small. We play together.
2.
That's my friend Sam and me. Sam is 8 years old. He has a bird. It's green.
3.
That's my friend Maria. She's 8 years old. Look at her lizard. We have fun together.
4.
Jack and I are good friends. He's 7 years old. Those are his goldfish. He has 3.
I hope you have listened to this audio. Now, can you guess what are they talking about? Whom they are talking about? Are they talking about their families, friends, or pets? Yes? Guess about it? You're very right. They're talking about their friends and pets. Write down this answer in your book. Now I'm going to play this audio again. For right now, what you have to do is, you have to mark the numbers that when are they talking about of the following pictures. You have to mark the numbers on in the boxes which are mentioned just below these pictures.
Page 22. Communicate. Listening. C. Which of these are they talking about? Families, friends, pets. 1.
This is my friend Abby and me. She's 7 years old. That's her kitten. Her kitten is small. We play together.
2.
That's my friend Sam and me. Sam is 8 years old. He has a bird. It's green.
3.
That's my friend Maria. She's 8 years old. Look at her lizard. We have fun together.
4.
Jack and I are good friends. He's 7 years old. Those are his goldfish. He has 3.
I hope you are done with this exercise as well, because you see, I have solved this exercise with you as well. Now match your answers or fill up these boxes on your book. That's all for today.